I've got it ready now. There's a couple of issues with this, is I've only got bolts in here. I think that should be okay. It's a bit too, well, when in the new design I'll have extra slots in here and a few other tweaks. These, like plastic plates, these are the blades here, are bowing a bit, so it's only gripping at each end in a way. About that, I'll put on this wear plate. So there's 4 blades there, and as I turn it, these come above the surface, so far as I know. Let me show you that. I'm hoping you can put something in, put my hand behind there to try and get a bit more light behind it, I think. Anyway, let's get on with it. Another issue is that the hole in this wood here, it's just a bit of, like, shelving I've got, isn't really the right size. That's for one of my old iterations I did, and I don't want to cut another hole in. Anyway, this goes over the edge of this shelving the way it is at the moment. 12 volts here on a 24 volt E motor. Okay, only on 12 volts. Right, let's get going. Let me think. So I'm going to turn this on first so I can stand back. I've got 12 volt power supply here, PSU, just a pretty standard PSU. And as you see there, now does it even work? I'm just going to try and hold this on here quite lightly. Oh yes, it's really pulling up, trying to pull over this way. One of the bolts has come out there. Okay, if I show you it, I did have some shorter bolts in here. I put some shorter, longer bolts in here, a bit longer. One of them did come out. I want to turn this on here first, and then I can stand a bit further away and turn it on the PSU I've got, just so I'm not reaching across now. I want to try and put this on here pretty lightly, but yet at the same time holding it quite firmly, because it does want to really pull over to the right in this case. Right, I'm trying to press a bit firmer now. So trying to press a bit firmer. Hold it near the bolts where I'll give this not even a mark on there. You see that? That's the area I was trying to do. No, and I'm pressing reasonably firmly, I would say there, but nothing. Let me have to think about this. I don't have the angles of the blades. But see how that blade is almost in a way going at this angle. I was hoping that would because it comes round there, and it must be getting the blades because you can hear it. Oh, there is a bit of a scrape there. Just noticed that. But it is basically a scrape. Right, I'm going to try pressing quite lightly at first, which I do not expect to really work, and then I'm going to press gradually firmer and firmer down. Now when I do firmer down, I'm expecting this to jam, but we'll see. So starting to press quite firmly now. And I've got the light on here. That's better. See, basically all it's doing here is scraping the surface of this. So it is having some impact, but you see the infill there.